guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Kiara, this is Alyssa. And today we're doing a video on Mommy and Me clothes. From Shein, however you pronounce it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment down below on what you think of the outfits. I will leave a link in the description box below of everything. And yeah, let's jump right into it, you guys. So, you guys, look at this. Obviously, this is not Shein's fault. It's FedEx's fault. Like, look at this. Somebody could have legit took my clothes. Like, what the hell? If it's because I did fast shipping, because they normally ship with DHL, I think it's called. I don't know, but it's ridiculous. All my packages open. So this is the first piece. This is actually not a Mommy and Me. I got this for myself because I seen it. I was like, oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Come on, you want to come sit in the chair? I'm gonna just pull up a chair for Alyssa since she's so little. You wanna stand up? Okay. Come on, let's get the clothes. Alright, this is the first. Let's see what we got. This is the first one. Let's open it up. Wow. This is a dress. This is Mommy's dress. This is cute, and it seems like it's a good length, not as high as like the one I got on. Which I also did get this from Shein, you guys, and I got this for Alyssa from Shein as well. So let's see. This is the next one. Looks like a, you okay? You're not gonna fall. I got you. Look, this is Alyssa's dress. This is cute. You like it? It's really pretty. Oh. Hey, excuse the M-Labs, you guys. I promise you we don't stay in the hood. You want to? Okay, you can sit. How about you sit? Just sit. There you go. Now I'm just gonna push your chair back like that. So you like this dress? Yeah, this is cute. Let's see what else. This I do not remember getting. What is this? Oh, I do remember. These are some shorts. Hey! Which I thought they had a little ribbon on it. I thought they had a little ribbon on it. Oh, they're so cute though. No, it's me. Look, here's yours right here. And here's Alyssa's shorts. String I was looking for. I thought it was attached, but it's not. Okay, come on. You want to open this one? This one is yours. Let's see how your shorts look, girl. Okay, they have the little string for hers. Oh, these are cute. Little Lisa. Okay, our second Mommy and Me little piece. Super cute. And we are going to try on all the clothes. So don't worry. Don't worry. This is Alyssa's. Ooh. Got you some Giddy Girl shorts. And there's the top. This is cute. I like this. Let's see mine. I'm excited, y'all. I love Mommy and Me clothes. Oh, I forgot. I made a mistake and ordered two. Two of these for Alyssa, which I'm not going to return it. I mean, I have a bunch of nieces, so I'm pretty sure one of them could fit it. I was about to say, they look a little too small for me. I don't think I can get into this. Your girl a little thick. Okay, here's mine. Super cute. And here's Mommy clothes. Wow, I like this. Okay, and as you guys can see, I have a dress like this on. Why do I always do this? Get the same thing. This looks so small. Skimpy, just like the dress I have on. I got this though because it's a mommy and me one. And if I would have remembered that I had this, I would have just bought Alyssa one. I mean, it's not the exact same pattern, but that was crazy of me. See, that means I shop too much. That's what that means. I'm trying to find hers. Okay, here it is. That means I shop too much. If I get the same thing. See? This is cute though. I like it. This looks skimpy on, would look like it would be skimpy on her too. Let's see, the next one. This is just like a another little short set, but without the long sleeve. It's a short sleeve. I mean, what is it called? Spaghetti strap. Did I order 2 of these? What the heck? Okay, so that one, this one right here, is just a mommy one. They did have one for Alyssa, but they didn't have her size. But I really liked this, so I just got it. Let's see this one. Okay, this is mine as well. So I got this to go underneath my red shirt I showed you guys, the first red shirt. So it's gonna be like so. Super cute. I'm gonna try it on to show you guys. And this I got for me. Alyssa do have one like this already, so I didn't have to buy her one like this. When I did her Toddler Shein haul, I actually bought her one like this. So, and that was all. And I also got her this. Want to see this one? Yeah. You like that little string you playing with? Yes. Throw her on the floor, girl. Whoa! You like that? Go ahead, put it on the floor. It's okay. That's one, and this is not a mommy and me one. Oh, you want to open it? Okay. Alyssa wants to open it. Yeah, this is for mommy. That's why, girl. What you trying to say? Mommy big or something? This is just a regular bodysuit. I was like in need of a regular bodysuit, so I just got it. So yeah, you guys, we're about to try all these clothes on. So maybe I should close my blinds. Okay, you guys, this is the first piece. Like, this is really cute. I don't know if we should go out looking this good, baby. Come on, stand up so they can see. I'm just gonna keep Alyssa in this chair because she's just way, obviously, she's just smaller. Come on, let's show them your cute outfit. Turn around, look at the camera. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, you guys, this stuff is sticking all on my feet, but this is the first cute little piece, y'all. This is super cute. This is definitely a chill little outfit we can do around the house or quick run to the store or something. It's like super cute. The material is really soft. It's thin, but it's not super thin. It looks like my short is kind of see-through. Yeah, I'm not gonna turn around. They're a little see-through, so definitely wear black underwear. But it's cute. I like it. I like it a lot. So let's try on the next piece. Summertime. And I love it. Like Alyssa said. Oh, she wants me to pick her up. These are cute. You like this, mommy? Yeah, she's trying to look in the mirror, y'all. It's really cute. I like it. I like it. All right, Shein, we see you. We see you giving girls the looks, okay, with their daughters. Oh, so sweet. Hey, you guys, here's the next one. It's a little too big for Alyssa. I'm kind of like holding it up in a bag, and y'all, this is so skimpy. Yo, I can't even bend over. And I did. Oh, see, it's like really big on her. And y'all, I did go a size up. That's the crazy thing about it. If I bend over, everything is gonna be out. So I don't really know about this one. It's cute, and I feel like we could definitely just take, you know, some pictures in it. But yeah. I mean, obviously Alyssa can grow into it, so I'm not really worried about you know, the straps and stuff being a little too big on her. But mine is a little too revealing for me, and yeah, I don't know, but it's cute. Like I said, we can definitely just take some pictures in it. The bra part is like, if you have breastises, and yes, I say breastises, y'all, don't take me serious when I talk like that. I don't know, it's just some words I say crazy. I mean, obviously I know it's breast, but I like saying breastises. But if you got some big breastises, I don't know, they do have a adjustable strap, so that was good, because I did have to end up taking yes, I have a mole. You have a mole too. I did have to take my bra off. I mean, it gave it a much better look, but it do have adjustable, and it really holds it. It's just that it's like super skimpy, like in a bag and stuff like that. So I don't know. Yeah, I'm looking into the mirror. I'm sorry, I'm not looking at the camera. I'm looking in the mirror. So I'm just trying to make sure nothing's popping out, okay? Okay, guys, this is the next look. Super cute, super simple. I actually don't know. I don't know. I mean, I like it, but I'm not really feeling it too much. The shorts are a little big on Alyssa, and the shirt as well. But I say I would rather Alyssa clothes to fit big, because I know she's gonna grow into them, than small. So yeah, it's cute. I mean, I'll probably just wear this with some simple chucks or something, just something super simple to kind of like dress it down. I mean, I feel like we could dress it down and dress. Okay, so this is the next look. This is obviously not in Mommy and Me look, but this is something that I seen that I thought was really cute. I was like, this is cute. I actually would probably pair this with some black jeans. If I had some leather black pants, I think that would look really cute. I think that would look really cute. But yeah, I seen this and I was like, baby, this is giving me life. This is giving me girls' night out. You know, this is cute. But I like this. Alyssa, she was tired. She kept on saying she wanted to go to sleep, so she's out the video. But that's fine, because I tried on everything that was a Mommy and Me. The dress though that I said she already had is not the same color. This is two different shades. So I mean, obviously we're still gonna wear our dresses, but it's not like a true Mommy and Me. I thought it was probably gonna be the same color, because they both had the slits in it. See, hers have the so when I seen the slit, I was like, oh yeah, this definitely the same one, but it's just not the same color. But they're still cute, so we're definitely gonna wear it. I just have two more things to try on. That's not Mommy and Me, that I just got for me. Okay, this is another look. Like I said, they did have the Mommy and Me in this, but they did not have Alyssa's size available, which I'll probably still go back and just get her one. But this is cute. Definitely a lounge in the house. Lounge in the house. Little lounge piece set, two-piece set. I mean, if you want to go out in this, that's your business. But this is cute. I like it. I turn it around because that's why I say lounge in the house. Okay, you guys, this is the last piece. Super cute. I mean, just a basic bodysuit. I never had one of these, which is crazy. I feel like every girl should have a basic bodysuit like this of all colors. I'm gonna give you some more colors to go in the closet. I mean, these things you can dress them up or down. Super cute. And yeah, you guys, this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching.